Changing your phone number on Freelancer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Freelancer website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are on the home page before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Go to your profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select the Contact Information section. In the Profile Settings menu, look for the section labeled Contact Information or similar. Click on it to access your current phone number details. Step 4. Update your phone number. In the Contact Information section, you will see your current phone number listed. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and ensure your new phone number is recorded. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on Freelancer will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Freelancer support for assistance.